instruction set of 8051 microcontroller. Instruction types. The 8051 microcontroller has 5 different functional group of instructions. First one is arithmetic operations. In this arithmetic operations, we are going to consider addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment and decrement operations. Next one is logical operations. Under this logical operations, we are going to perform AND operation, OR operation, XOR operation, NOT operation and etc. Next one is data transfer operation. So in this, the data will be transferred from source to destination. Next, Boolean variable operations. So in this, we are going to set and clear the register or carry. Next, program branching operations. So program branching operations, we have to discuss the call operations, jump operations, etc. Arithmetic instructions. So arithmetic instructions in 8051 CPU has no special knowledge of the data format, signed or unsigned, binary, binary coded, decimal, ASCII, etc. The appropriate status bits in the program status word are set when specific conditions are met, which allows the user software to manage the different data formats, carry, overflow, etc. The arithmetic operations will perform 8-bit addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and it also performs increment and decrement operations. Example, ADOA, RN. So the operation is addition operations where the content present in the RN register, which is added with the accumulator. The result is stored in the accumulator itself. ADOA, direct. The content present in the direct memory, which is added with the accumulator, the result is stored in the accumulator itself. SUBBA, RN. The content present in the RN, which is subtracted from the accumulator and the carry, the result is saved in the accumulator. INCA, that is increment operations. Accumulator is incremented by 1 and result is saved in the A. Like this, decrement operation also possible. Logical operations. The logical instructions perform Boolean operations like AND, OR, XOR and NOT on data bytes on a bit by bit basis. Examples, ANL, A, as 0, 2. Mask bit 1. That is, it is an AND operation between data and accumulator. ORL, TCON, A. This is an OR operation between A and TCON register. Like this, XOR operation, NOT operation also possible. Data transfer instructions. The data transfer instructions mainly focus the data transfer between two registers or memory to register, memory to memory, or otherwise the data to register, data to memory. Here source should be a data, register or memory content, and destination should be a register and memory. Boolean variable instructions. So these Boolean variable instructions are to perform the set, clear and or complement instructions. Example, set B, TRO, start timer 0, POLL, JNB, TRO, poll. So these Boolean variable instructions are performing using the set C, that is set the clear bit, set the carry bit 1 or set the carry bit 1, and clear C, clear bit, set bit. So OR operation also possible, and complement A, taking complement of the accumulator, complement C, taking complement of the carry bit. Program branching instructions. So program branching instructions are used to control the flow of program execution. Some instructions provide decision-making capabilities before transferring control to other parts of the program. So conditional branches. So program branching instructions, normally we can go with the call operations. The call operation is nothing but when main program is going on, in that we are going to call to the subprogram. And the return return is nothing but when the subprogram is going on, if we are going to come back to the original program, we have to use the return instructions. RETI, this is return interrupt. So from the interrupt instructions, from the interrupt program, we have to return back to the main program. NOP, no operations. Like this, in program branching instructions, we are going to perform the jump instruction also. So jump instructions, we have to use conditional basis, unconditional basis. In conditional basis, the jump instructions normally focus on the carry, 0, sign, and parity check and parity bit and carry bit, auxiliary carry bit. So like this, we are having various 5 types of instructions. Once again, we have to recall, that is arithmetic instructions, logical instructions, Boolean, variable instructions, program branching instruction, data transfer instructions. Thank you.